Skinny girls weak, them hoes don't compare. Junk in the trunk looking like 2 pairs.
All I do is stay up all night, losing sleep over you. Wow. All I do.
Okay, you guys, so this is what we're going to be using to make our homemade noodle bowls. Real super duper easy, okay? So I have 2 packs of this creamy chicken ramen. I'm using this one because I like the cloudy color that it gives the broth. It makes it look super close to like a bone broth, like how they look when you go get ramen in the restaurant. Okay, you can of course go get homemade fresh ramen noodles from like H Mart or something like that, which is cool. But I'm trying to make this recipe, you know, simple and easy for anyone to do, so you don't have to go out and, you know, do all that. All right, so I have 2 packs of the ramen noodles here. I have some green onion in here. Okay, right here I have some Better Than Bouillon, the roasted chicken. And then I have some roasted garlic, Better Than Bouillon. Okay, we're going to be using that for our broth. I have some minced garlic, some soy sauce. Of course, right here we have my seasoning blend. That's what we're going to be using to season the shrimp up. I rarely use this. As you can see, I need to refill this. There's always going to be a link in the description box below where you can go and purchase my 8-ounce seasoning blend. It's really, really good. It is very complex and it's just bomb. You can pretty much use this on anything. You can use this on anything, okay? It's really good. If you don't have my seasoning blend and you're lacking, you can just use some adobo with pepper. You'll be just fine. But go get my seasoning. It's really, really good, okay? Over here, I have some raw extra large shrimp. I had this in the freezer. I'm going to go ahead and put this in some cold water and defrost it all the way. All right. I have some black pepper here. I have some thick cut slab bacon. Do you see how thick that is? This is gonna be like an easy way to do like have the pork belly in your ramen. Okay, so this is not regular bacon. This is thick cut slab bacon. All right. I have a lime here and I have 2 eggs. All right, that's all you need to make some bomb ramen. So let's go get started. So first off, I'm going to take a few pieces of our thick bacon, put it here on this cookie sheet, and then I'm going to roast it in the oven until it's nice and crispy. Okay, I'm only going to use 2 for the ramen, 1 I'm going to eat. Alright, I'm just keeping it real, but come on now. Y'all know what it is. So I have the bacon on the cookie sheet. I'm going to put this uncovered in the oven at 375 until it's nice and crispy. Okay, you guys, so I have my shrimp all nice and cleaned up. These are nice and big. This is a good size shrimp. Okay, so I'm going to go in with a teaspoon of minced garlic. Okay. Then some of my seasoning blend. You guys go get some. It's really good. It's good on veggies, meat, seafood, all that. Okay. So just that much, not too much, because, you know, you don't want this to be super salty. So we're going to let this marinate for a little bit. Let's go work on our soup base. Okay, so I have my pot heating up. I'm going to go ahead and add in 4 cups of water. Alright, now we're going to bring this to a boil. How cute is my little egg pot? It's so tiny. So I am going to go ahead and hard boil these eggs. Some people like their ramen with the eggs kind of runny or medium. I prefer to do mine medium. I prefer to do mine hard boiled. You do yours however you like to do your eggs, okay? It's nice if you have like a little creamy center in the middle, if that's what you like, you know. But I'm gonna go ahead and boil these eggs off and just let them cool. Okay, you guys, so our bacon is done. It's nice and crispy. I'm about to take it off this tin foil and drain it on some paper towel, get some of this oil off. But y'all, look at this bacon. I'm telling you, this is the best bacon in the world. Go to your butcher and get you some slack bacon, okay? thank me later. Okay, so I just went ahead and washed off the lime and the scallions. I'm gonna go ahead and slice them up. Don't forget to wash your lime because you know you're gonna put that in soup. Just make sure that's clean too, okay? Okay, that looks good. Okay, so our water is boiling. I'm gonna go ahead and put one of the seasoning packs in here, not both. Save the other one, put in some mashed potatoes or something. Okay, that's a quick little pro tip. All right, not two, just one, y'all, okay? So I put that in there. Next, we're gonna put in some of the better than bouillon. We're gonna go in first with the roasted chicken and do like 1/8 of a teaspoon, not too much because you don't want it to be salty. So like this much. Wait, it's dripping. That much right there is perfect. You don't want it to be salty, okay? This stuff right here is concentrated. Now we're gonna go in for some of the roasted garlic one. You guys, this one is my favorite. It's so good. All right. 1/8 of a teaspoon. It's gonna be so bomb. Next, I'm gonna put in half of that chopped green onion that I chopped. The rest we're gonna use for garnish. Let this come to a nice roll. Well, it's boiling. I'm gonna let this boil for like a couple minutes. Over here, I got the skillet heating up for the shrimp. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little olive oil. Okay, let this heat up a little bit. Drop our shrimp. It smells so good. This right here, you guys, this is 10 shrimp. So we're gonna put 5 in each bowl. I'm doing 2 bowls. Okay, our soup base is looking good. Look at that color, y'all. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and drop in both blocks of noodles. Alright, let this cook. Okay, so our shrimp is done. I'm just gonna go ahead and hit it with like a little parsley, just to make it look nice. You don't gotta do it. It's all for presentation. Alright. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and just turn this off now. Okay, so our noodles are done. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. And then let's go plate up. Alright. Okay, you guys, so we have our ramen here. This is like the equivalent of 1 pack. Okay, I made enough to do 2 bowls. We have the garnish here. I cut up the bacon, peeled and sliced the eggs. Okay, so first off, I'm gonna go ahead and add some of that chopped bacon, aka our pork belly. Okay, maybe a little bit more. All right. Next, we're going to add some shrimp. This right here is a meal, y'all. Okay. I put so much bacon. Can I do one more? Clean this up a little bit. Alright, so we got our shrimp. Let's try to fix it a little bit. No, presentation is everything. Put some scallion. Okay. Gonna put one of the eggs. Alright. Some lime. Alright. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of black pepper. Alright, alright. Next, I'm gonna put a couple drops of the soy sauce just for color. Alright. And then my personal preference, I like hot sauce. I'm gonna put a little bit of hot sauce, a couple drops. You don't gotta do that. That's what I like. Alright. And there you have it. Let me fix this up a little bit and I'll show you how the finished product looks. Okay, so here it is, you guys. This is my homemade noodle bowls. Okay, doesn't that look good? Super flavorful, super easy to do, and it tastes so good. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, leave me a comment below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to do you, boo. Bye, guys.
Whoa, don't slip up or get caught.
Why not, man?
I'm coming for that #1 spot.